Starting around 30 July 2023, Dogecoin fundamentally is exchanging at $0.079 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which basically is genuinely huge. Doge by and large has an extremely all-out market cap of $11,155,405,926, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $530,633,354, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. This really makes Dogecoin, Doge, especially positioning at 7 in the digital currency market, which basically is very critical. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin for the most part be by and large worth in 2023? Or so they really thought. Is Dogecoin a genuinely wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in a significant manner? Will Doge cost generally outperform its record-breaking high? Or so they basically thought. These in a real sense are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future. Dogecoin, Doge, Value Forecast 2023. As per the Dogecoin Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2023, the Doge cost in a real sense is supposed to cross an exceptionally normal value level of $0.096, the normal in every practical sense. Least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to especially be $0.092, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. Besides, Doge can for the most part arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of 10 cents. Dogecoin Value Conjecture July 2023. In July 2023, the essentially most extreme cost for Dogecoin could by and large stretch around $0.083. Moreover, the minimum cost of Doge in July 2023 explicitly is $0.073, with a genuinely normal cost of $0.081. Doge Value Estimate August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Dogecoin basically is supposed to generally arrive at a very least value worth of $0.080 in a really significant manner. The Doge cost could arrive at an in every way that really matters, greatest cost of $0.086, with the in every practical sense normal cost around $0.083. So for the most part is Dogecoin a by and large wise venture, or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023, which certainly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin Value Estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the especially most extreme cost for Dogecoin could in a real sense stretch around $0.090 in a genuinely huge manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Doge in September 2023 explicitly is $0.084, with an exceptionally normal cost of $0.087, or so they explicitly thought. Dogecoin Value Forecast October 2023. The cost of Dogecoin by and large is truly anticipated to especially reach at a sort of least worth of $0.086 in October 2023, or so they really thought. The Doge cost could essentially arrive at a very greatest worth of $0.094, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Doge Value Figure November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Dogecoin basically is supposed to for the most part arrive at a fundamentally least value worth of $0.090, or so they especially thought. The Doge cost could generally arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $0.099, with the really normal cost around $0.093 in a truly significant manner. Dogecoin Value Expectation December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin truly is basically anticipated to basically reach at any rate worth of $0.092 in December 2023. So Doge has a really complete market cap of $11,155,405,926, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $530,633,354. Or so they in every practical sense thought. The Doge cost could sort of arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme worth of 10 cents, with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $0.096 all through 2023. Dogecoin fundamentally passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Dogecoin's cost truly has shown an essentially decent increment of 1.05% as of now. So besides, the minimum cost of Doge in July 2023 really is $0.073, with a kind of typical cost of $0.081, or so they in a real sense thought. From certainly most recent 7 days, the Doge explicitly was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 9.85%, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin for the most part has shown areas of strength for extremely potential of late, and this could be by and large great chance to in a real sense dive right in and contribute, or so they in a real sense thought. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge in every practical sense diminished by 16.312%, disposing of an astounding typical amount of $0.015 from its especially current worth, showing how really is Dogecoin a kind of wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a decent truly purchase and open door for in every practical sense, fast speculation, which sort of shows that additionally Doge can in every way that really matters, arrive at a truly greatest value level of 10 cents. Dogecoin value estimate July 2023. In July 2023, the fundamentally most extreme cost for Dogecoin could basically stretch around $0.083, which generally is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change especially is near 8.00%, and the cost truly circled from a really least kind of typical cost of $0.085 to for the most part greatest pretty normal cost of $0.088 in the genuinely beyond 90 days, or so they fundamentally thought. In for the most part most recent 4 months Dogecoin in every way that really matters has shown a developing pattern in an unpretentious manner. In this way, we truly believe that comparable pieces of the market by and large were very famous at that period in a significant manner. As per the barely the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Dogecoin by and large is expanded from 4 months, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost, or so they thought. The coin truly is up by 10.04%, with the sort of greatest truly normal cost of the coin basically was around $0.076, and the really least in every practical sense, normal cost of generally was around $0.073 and beyond 4 months, exhibiting that moreover, the minimum cost of Doge in July 2023 by and large is $0.073 with an extremely normal cost of $0.081, which generally is very critical. Dogecoin value conjecture 2023 facts. What will really be Dogecoin exceptionally worth in 2023 in a very significant manner? The Doge cost really